Tiyeni ndithu ku Twitter komwe apule ndithu ayamikira Donald Trump chifukwa chowina kachikena yetu ndiye anyway iwo ku Twitter alemba kuti congratulations to President elect real Donald Trump for emerging winner for the recent US election. I wish you profound success in your comeback tenure, and we'll look forward to engaging you on all matters development between the US and Malawi. Here guys, ndiye awa bangaragi abulewo Trump basi kwa mwachikhalidwe tione anthu kuti akuti bwanji ena kuti boma ndi lomwe ili okay ena kuti ukatere si basi wapya ulendo ndamwana kwambiri anthu adzakumeya ero kwamala adzakumeya ero basi apole watenga ngati kasongo kuti yo baba kwamangoendenda ndamwana kwambiri kasongo kabalika nga okay chabwino ena kuti tiyeni konko wena kuti olo unyengeleli atisakutifunaso koma musavaye ku Mr. P. Tiyeni siti kupita on all matters development between the US and Malawi. What's being said here? Boma ndilomweli boma linyamuke tsopano mumusamale vitala chaka chamawa. That's great, Mr. President. Akuti sakukudziwa ndipo usayerekeze kupita. Come on. There's a lack of fuel in Malawi too. Onyamula majekete tilipo mukamapita kwa Trump zarenge boss. Boma ndilomweli 2070 boma. Thank you, Mr. President. Great indeed. Tiye mukaliti. No, the point ya anthu basi is like I wanna ngata apita meneko. Ayi apula alipo. Monya mukaliti. Monya mukakale. Tipita konko boss. Everywhere else, opposition is winning, my guy. Which country are you from? Asking on behalf of President Trump. Indeed, very sensitive. Atugwesa kumpingo mene situ walenga wate. Boma ndilomweli kuma president asinta. Amen. Aliburantu yo. And I would Malawi ready with its begging. But there's no need to tag him, bro. He won't even like your tweet. I don't know Sambangera. I did probably Suzu Finika so companga tag. For Sangabanga like a tweet, you know. You're going home next. Malawi wasted resources on this president. He has done nothing except to look like his friend next door. Your next don't sell your country. You're useless president. Okay, I mean the Twitter. Then tientlowe ku Facebook. Tuone ku Facebook na wonso kuli zotan. Musiani sama comment. Yes, this is the Facebook. Yo, Facebook ni wene. Meledu ma comment 2000 makomenti amene afuna agambe chani makamaka ukuso alembaso chimozimozi kuti congratulations chani zimalemba kuja ukuso alemba zimozimozi ta tuona uku congratulations the worst president ever Malawi had. I can't wait to vote you out. What American and Botswana did is also going to happen higher. Here, history is the best teacher. Anthu, next year it will be you, Mr. President, going back to opposition. I will remind you, sir, again, don't don't going back to Supreme Court, accept the defeat. Next year in Malawi, we are doing that Americans have done. We are doing what Americans have done. So, sir, we will show no mercy. Take a screenshot of this comment. I wouldn't get screenshot it up. Comment then get screenshot it. Twa. That ain't got screenshot. Next year, we will hold your administration accountable, just as Americans do, standing up against corruption, nepotism, and greed, and demanding a government that truly listens to its people. My brother, congratulations to him, indeed. And here in Malawi, next year we will do what America has done, bringing up the old victory into power. The brooms will move in State House. Guys, don't be cheated. All haters of our president will be ashamed next year. Malawi can be compared to America. Nice. Congratulations from Kenya, and we are happy as Kenyans for winning of Trump, so that come 2027, Ruto should be voted out by Kenyans, Kenyan citizens. Hey, my guys, next year, our opposition party, JB, congratulations to him. He is ruling good. He is ruling good the country. That's why they chose him again. Congratulations. Upload the picture. Easy come. 2025, you're about to do the same here, returning previous government. God bless America. God bless Malawi. Peace. Easy come, guys. They make America great again, and here it will be a return of a proven leadership. And you are the next winner, Mr. Guys, even the reaction ya Anthu. Many Anthu ako one right? Here, yo. Judgment in Dino.
Like, share, Malawian cameras, right.